Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have the Chromecast powered and the TV on to the correct HDMI input. Now open the Google Home app on your phone. First, follow the app prompts to add a new device. Tap Add, Set Up Device, and choose your home. Once the app finds the Chromecast, accept the code shown on TV so you know you're pairing the right unit. Make sure your phone stays on the same Wi-Fi network. This lets the app push configuration and transfer Wi-Fi credentials securely to the Chromecast. After naming the Chromecast and choosing a room, the app will finish Wi-Fi configuration. Tap through any permissions and allow updates. Firmware keeps streaming stable. Once the device shows as online in Google Home, open a cast-ready app like YouTube or Netflix on your phone. Tap the cast icon, select the Chromecast name, and start playback. You're sending a URL and playback commands. The Chromecast streams directly from the internet while your phone becomes a remote. So you can pause, seek, or adjust. To finish, use the phone's cast controls or the Google Home app to manage playback and volume. You can disconnect when done by tapping Stop Casting. If casting fails, try quick fixes. Ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi, toggle Wi-Fi on your phone, reboot the router, or unplug and replug the Chromecast. Once done, fully reset the device only if pairing repeatedly fails. Hold the Chromecast button until the LED blinks, because a factory reset erases saved networks and requires repeating setup from slide 1.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.